Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitY. In this video, I am going to show you how to make ChatGPT remember the last chat bar position on PC or desktop. So normally you can choose a fixed place where chat bar appears, such as bottom left, bottom right or bottom center. But if you move the chat bar around while using it, you can also let ChatGPT remember the last place where you have left it. This means the next time you open the chat bar, it will appear in the same position instead of going back to a fixed location like in the bottom right, bottom left or bottom center. It's a handy option if you like to move chat bar depending on the app you are using. So if you also want ChatGPT to remember the last chat bar position, then first open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose settings. Now here in the ChatGPT settings page, scroll a bit and in chat bar section, click on the drop down menu right to position on screen. And then finally choose remember last position. And that's it. From now on, whenever you move the chat bar, ChatGPT will automatically remember the last position and open it in the same place the next time you use it. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.